So from this side, we are on, matter of fact, we're about right behind me is where we just left off with the aft pool and hot tub where Angie and I were. This section is literally right up the stairs from the aft. It's on the right hand, forward facing, and this is mainly the smoking area. So you can actually see, I wasn't sure where they had it last time or this time, because last time it was actually out in the center area. This time we're actually facing on the right hand side, and there's an entire section for smoking. So you can check that out real quick as we pan back around. And this is the area down here where we actually came out, walked across. We took our pictures here facing back this way. There's part of the new pier construction that's going on. We'll try to get more tonight when we leave, about another 2 hours from now. But just to give a little brief on that one. Smoking section. Back around. This is where we were about 20 minutes ago in the pool. We'll just give a quick once over on the pool. So that was just a brief over. I'm hoping to be able to get the Odyssey in on my walk around. I was going to start the walk around at the front. There's too many gaps and areas that you don't want to get into, and you don't want to, I don't know, people get kind of weird when there's cameras floating around. So as you can see, some people are wearing masks, some people aren't. As soon as you enter inside the ship, better have that mask on because they're going to get you. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick aft around this side. Smoking area behind me, middle section. Kind of started there. We're going to kind of go back and around to the right. We're able to see the actual port of entry. There's our little lighthouse out there. I want to get some really good pictures of that this evening when we leave. And you can see down here where they're actually expanding the port. And of course, the Odyssey. I miss Captain Kate's ship. And by the way, there's our FLIR cameras. So yes, they actually do have FLIR cameras on this boat. But I'm gonna go ahead and get up on a white back end. We did miss Captain Kate's ship. She just left within the last hour or so. Backed out of here. I wanted to get that, but we were hanging out in the pool. So it's a massive, massive ship. This one, for the Odyssey, you're gonna get a real good look on the side of this one. You can see the fun ball. You can see the rock climbing wall. They even have the strobe on the bow that actually loads people up, and it goes up and down and in and out and over the sides and stuff. So we're gonna take a walk that way real quick. Pan back around here, let you see the ship, and we'll walk around our, you can hear them in the background, they're having fun downstairs. Take a little tour of the left and right hand side of the boat, of both boats for that matter. If you take a look, you got the fun ball thing. I don't know what it's technically called, but then you got the rock wall, and there they are. They're up in the sky, way up there. Imagine doing that while you're cruising down the ocean. On the right hand side, we've got some closed areas. Got some tugboats down there. And technically that other ship was sitting right here. So see how massive these ships are. And I think originally 2017, I think we were in that port right there, I believe, because we walked along all the way out. Hey, check it out. How's it going?
Hi. Welcome to the vlog.
Yep. Thanks for having us. One thing I love about Carnival, man, they are so cool to everybody here. Of course, my favorite, the whale tail. And this is pig and anchor. So as you're walking through here, I'll just kind of pan back around a little bit, kind of give it that that pure feeling. Right here's the Lido. Get the Lido deck right here. You get that pure feeling coming through here. Give you that pig and anchor. Pork pulled, all that good jazz. Here you go. This is where you get your pig and anchor. Then coming down the other side, you'll see everybody. We want to be respectful to everybody's privacy here. But I started out right up here on that first turn before I came down to the smoking section. Could have come down this side, but either way it works. Don't want to be rude, give everybody a little respect. But we'll try to capture as many pieces and loop them in together as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this around on this side. That's about maybe 200 yards out from where I was standing. So we thought we'd give a little bit, and I am gonna go ahead and pan across the Odyssey one more time, and that way y'all can see the infamous, which I thought was cool, Atlantis. If I do get a few minutes here in a little bit, I'll go ahead and go up top and let you guys see the Atlantis from the front of the boat. So that's my little 14-minute rant. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you, whatever floats your boat. Tokens. No, VR. Looks like out of order. It's pretty cool. Jesus. Yeah. Go, tons of tickets, more swag, and out we go. I'll walk this way.
Oh, the lobby. Carnival. So I looked at my bill and it just said $63.
they go on the slides.
Oh, you can see it up to there.
Yeah, you can see the slides. Vertigo.
You get a real good tour. Video call her.
Maybe. I don't think the quality is going to be any good. I mean, it's going to be as good as the, you know, as their video streaming.
I might try to call her from the car. This is like so cool. She's living vicariously through us.
Real quick video of the laundrette. So dispenser price $2. Not bad. Put your card in there. Punch in your stuff. It charges it to your room. Load the machines. 1 through X, Y, and Z. Not bad. So 2, 4, 6 machines. Probably do good 8 pounds a piece, maybe 10. Not bad. You got a little hot cold dispenser. There you go. By the way, great place. Absolutely awesome place to eat. Love you guys. Now check out the menu. Just got done eating here. Good stuff. Look at this food. What's going on, man? Good foods. Good eats. Excellent.
Yeah, okay.